Hello. Today we're doing a slime video. Three people.
Really short.
Yeah, because he has a shorter chair than me and Tait do.
He's actually taller than me. When I sit in that chair, I'm like this.
So
We're just mixing some glue
the first
here.
thing we will do.
Why is the cat in the sink?
He likes to go in the sink.
He can't.
So first you're gonna do is you can pick an extra thing that you can add. You can add some different glue, or you can just keep it the same.
I'll keep it.
You could add these to make it fluffy. These glow in the dark. This is glitter glue. This is also glitter glue.
How can you make it butter?
A butter slime, you have to add clay, but I don't have the right clay.
Thing.
I want to make it fluffy.
So that means that you peek.
Are they scented?
Yes.
I want to try to make it not sticky.
Okay.
Okay.
So you can make it glow in the dark.
My
You can make
spoon
it
is
sparkly.
I shall make it glow in the dark.
Do you take off the lid?
Okay, my
not
spoon
with
is gonna fall.
this part.
My spoon is gonna fall in the glue. I don't know how.
That happened to me before.
How am I gonna do?
Okay, so
I'm just gonna put it on the table.
Yeah, put on.
Hey, we have a sink cap.
how much shall I pour?
What causes a sink?
Just like
I know, he likes it. It's comforting to him. He likes putting his chin in there. What causes the sink cap to appear, Bella?
3, 2, 1. Woohoo!
just about.
This isn't like foamy.
that much. There you go.
This isn't like foamy.
Nice store it.
Okay, guys, this is my slime so far. It's a little bit.
Alright.
I think my slime is gonna be pink.
Yeah.
My slime is too tiny. I need to add some more lines to it.
Yeah, just
Look
point
at
it
this.
like,
Nitty! Ah, it's going Nitty!
Night night!
Knitting.
He almost knocked down the camera. I'm
He
glad
was-
I saw that.
He was licking the camera.
I'm glad I saw that before that happened.
Here, do this.
Here, Colton. You need some more.
He's
But just
giving
go like,
me
don't like go like this. You like, pretend like it's a mouse.
good.
So he's tempted to try to get it.
I think that's a good.
I'm looking at my fluffy ass.
Cat.
I think I need more of this. I need more. Do I need more?
Oh yeah, you can add some more.
My fluffies. Okay, now I'm going to add.
I'm gonna add a bunch of red glitter.
Okay.
Mine should be a rainbow glitter one, where I add just a bunch of different colors of glitter.
Okay.
First time.
Now I need some glitter. I'm gonna add some
There's
more
some
glitter.
statistical techniques.
This is the purple stuff.
Well, they were technically
Actually, I'm gonna add this.
Pink stuff.
yeah, demonstrated in the
No
80s.
spoon. Where am I gonna put the spoon? It's
They
gonna
were
fall.
largely
Just hold
ignored
on to it.
by industrialists.
Okay.
Okay.
Add equal amount of each
What it
glitter.
is non-parametric design.
Colton, you're out of the camera.
So basically,
like
modeling with the distribution.
There you go.
Look at mine! Oh my gosh! Look at mine, Bella.
Logistic
Woo,
regression, beautiful. Types of modeling.
I actually really quit.
It's really hard to.
Bella, show yours before you mix it. Quick.
It's
Wait, no,
hard to
I'm
do
gonna
this.
add all the different colors of glitter.
Someone
Here,
help
everybody,
me.
look.
I can't
That's
do
the
this.
Look at my
I need a
beauty!
bigger chair.
Like maybe you could grab a pillow from the living room and put it on your chair.
Yeah.
It's brilliant.
We'll grab
Try
it.
to turn it.
I'll try to.
Mine is actually starting to turn into slime already, actually.
Say you turn the oven to 30.
No, no, I don't
You
know
measure
how to explain this.
Should probably add some more glue to yours.
Yeah, definitely. The fluffy is taken over. Okay, now I'm gonna add some of this. Some glue, you know.
I don't know. We use brand A, B, C, D. That would be logistic.
There you go.
Right
Stop
here.
dripping. Thank you.
How do I tell if I'm good?
You should probably start adding some like dyes to ours.
Yeah.
Mine is just gonna be straight up glitter.
Or you can add it fluffy like mine.
It's
You
easy.
can add it fluffy like
There's
mine.
a little
I
fishing
don't know how to do
Try
this.
the.
Yeah, he has never made slime before.
Please send help.
He has never made slime before.
Please, someone.
He has never.
You can grab a pillow from the living room, maybe.
Yeah.
No,
You
I
wanted to
need
make
to
a
know how
mask.
to.
Yeah, he's never made.
Okay, once I finish. Okay, guys, you know, look at how satisfying this is.
I know. Look how beautiful that is.
It is so random. Holy crap!
The
It's.
great power is that you can test a bunch of inputs.
My
I
second
love
favorite
this slime. It's
color
so beautiful.
is yellow, by the way.
Your new favorite color is yellow?
No, my second.
You're a Vikings person?
Uh,
And Colton's band.
So there's binary
Colton's
methods,
yeah.
either the output or the input.
And look at this beauty.
And basically,
Can someone please help me?
those are
The blue looks green in the camera, by the way. So yeah.
Someone help
I
me.
added blue.
Okay,
so-
next, the thing that you're gonna do next, we'll squirt some activator for you. Technically, too.
Not for me. I'm still not done. I'm gonna add
There you
mine.
go.
But one of the things that we find with
Felicia.
variable type
What's a Felicia?
This is called Felicia, so.
I think it's fuchsia, actually.
Oh yeah, future.
the biggest problem
Can't open
is
Means that hardly
more
anyone
samples,
uses.
more runs you do,
We should.
What is
the more
bi?
noise
I don't know.
it's the opposite.
Jeez, that
I
was
know
a
it is something though.
Everything starts to become statistical.
Also, like some purple. What if we created? What if we had you have a magenta, which is like a purple?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying.
This
Look.
Mine is just
Oh,
a
okay,
big.
not that much blue. Look at this
It's
kid.
just a block.
What? Something's happening. This looks like unicorn galore.
Oh my god.
It looks like unicorn galore. I love this.
Yay!
Yay!
That's how the math
Oh, oh, oh. Oh my god.
We have our puppeteer back there.
Look at this.
How do I do this? No.
I didn't add any
Okay, now I'm gonna add some more of yours.
Okay, now I'm ready. Okay, that's good.
It's stuck to this spoon. Get off the spoon.
That's what's supposed to happen. That's how it turns into slime.
I'm gonna take mine off, guys. I'm gonna be dangerous and take mine off.
Oh no.
It's using really like binomial.
No, Bella, no.
Mine is like
That is, I gotta use huge. I have to make tons.
I have created a failure.
Bella just made an attempt that no one has.
Registering and measuring things, the more data you collect into the model,
Oh my gosh.
You can pick
look
yours
at
up
this.
now. Colton, pick yours up now.
Oh.
We flip.
so it's great for exposed weather. But
And there's still more in the container.
Pick yours. Take yours off the spoon, Colton. You can play with it now.
Yeah,
I'm just.
My spoon almost fell in it.
Holy crap! We nearly died.
Me nearly.
She dropped the soap.
What?
Soap.
Adding some shaving cream to mine because it's like stiff. But it's also sticky, so I'm just gonna make mine fluffy. Be fluffy.
Yeah. It's cold.
The fluffy has overcome, so I'm gonna add some.
It
So if you got the
is true slime.
this is probably the most important thing that's happened in
If you squeeze it, it does this.
again,
Ew.
beauty progression.
It turns into
classic
poo.
techniques is if you know how to
I just made cotton candy.
how to do stepwise and
I don't know what I made.
what is this? Experiment suite. Then you get some pretty good results with very few samples.
Oh my goodness.
I added like way too much glitter into this slime, and now it looks like a weird disaster of crap.
With, 3 or 4 factors with,
Look at yours and look at mine.
quadratic cubic, relationships.
Hers looks so good.
Regression easily
Mine is so
linear
sticky.
regression model. There's also
Mine is
quadratic.
Okay,
seriously
spoon, where do you
sticky.
go?
Whereas
I
you
can't even get it off.
Hey,
There's a lot
I'm
of
nothing.
you're putting your slime into my slime. I can work with my own, don't worry.
It's actually older stuff.
I've got this.
Shaving cream.
Things like surgery.
I totally want to. Totally got that messed up. You added too much shaving cream to that.
Is this good?
Colton,
This
like
good?
my slime?
You have a lot.
Really, really quickly.
Bella,
They kind of stalled
I want a container for this because last time I made fluffy slime with my friend and I put it in a bag. We had to throw it away, so I need a container for this.
Help.
Definitely.
A big
Oh.
container, actually.
It's supposed to do that, Colton. Don't worry, you won't die.
Oh
Keep a
no,
portion
my
of the
spoon.
slime.
I want more.
Oh god,
Dude,
this
I'm not
is
even sure
gonna
that
look
that's
ugly.
gonna fit into a container.
I'm pretty sure this is gonna look ugly.
What do you call it? It's regression.
Description of my
It's
life.
not linear regression. Linear regression.
Oof.
Slimes together.
Right. But it's
We all need some. Actually, we all
Need some
need
activator?
lotion. No lotion.
Lotion.
Colton, do you think you can reach that green thing down in the slime?
No, how about you
Before it
give
was
up
like, get a result. Yes, that's good. Yes, this is good. No, this is bad. Throw it out.
This is a.
Regression.
Bella has the less messy hands. Just look at me and Colton's hands. Colton, show your hands in the camera. Colton's not used to slime.
Siri.
Call
Call 911. Call Siri. I'm joking.
Calling Siri at 3 a.m. Not clickbait.
Which would make sense if
Wait, what would happen if you asked if steering away from 3 a.m.? You know, if I had,
that also utilize that same
if only we could have a sleepover, if it wasn't Sunday,
that
we could
would
do
be
that.
around and not yet.
Maybe we can do it next week.
Next
Wait,
You like to untangle those nuts like
where are you gonna be next week for MEA?
I don't know why I can't cut myself.
And
No, I'm going somewhere.
I have to untie that.
oh my gosh, look at
The
this.
efficiency of the
Looks
length of
like a
that
spider
rope
web.
is not being used as-
Looks like a
Just
web.
look at this beauty.
Well, you're totally not in the camera. You need to like.
Look at it. It's beautiful.
My arms are getting really tired.
I've got so much lotion.
Yeah, so we're
Or
super
Here,
shaving.
here, give me a portion of your slime.
The hard part would be trying to
No,
understand
don't grab all my
how good the
slime.
model. Part I don't know about it yet because it's not out there. Real use it. Exactly. How good
Come
is
back here.
it
I need you.
How
when,
long
how
is this
many
video?
real trials and samples?
11 minutes.
Oh gosh, we should hurry this up.
That's part I don't know yet. Like I don't
Okay,
know
guys.
the difference between
We
logistics
need to make
and
another part for this.
you know
I
mathematics
need lotion.
is you can use
Help me.
We need another.
How sticky? The lotion. Yours is fine, Tim. Me and Colton's are like stiff as stone.
If I want to demonstrate with 95%
Then do we
confidence
need the
that
lotion?
95%
Duh.
this
Yes, duh.
data will pass this lower limit
Duh.
bound some step, like how what percent are gonna go for the goalpost or
How
whatever.
dare you use
Measuring how far from the
on
goalpost
my
is
small
dispersion
bit of
is normal
slime.
distribution.
I
No.
have more slime right here.
No, yours is as stiff as stone. I need to
The
fix
error,
it.
because the error bar is huge for samples. But if I know the underlying distribution is normal.
This slime is ready to clean, so I'm cleaning.
What we do is
I'm
we
still
have
cleaning
rules
my
that we
hands.
enforce
I
ourselves
gotta
to
fail.
15 minimum. Because there's very
This
little
Yours
hand is ready
failed.
to clean, and this hand.
For some reason it's stiff.
that we're wrong.
Yours is a
And
failed
it's way
project.
grossly not normal.
Yours
Look at
has been failed.
this.
So we have to test the value.
Your slime
Daddy,
has
look at my
committed
slime!
Awesome. That's
Your-
pretty purple.
Your slime has
That's pretty
committed
Viking-like. That's a
die.
good looking slime. That's huge. It's like a tap. So with binomial non-parametric, binomial.
I even forgot to
alpha
in the video.
This slime is just like.
number of trials, no misses. How many times I kicked the field goal?
My arms are so tired. This slime is never giving up.
done?
It's swallowing my hand.
Please.
We should end the video here. Or at least pause it.
Stay tuned for the next part.
We
Yeah.
need another